When it comes to HVAC repairs, finding the right parts for the job is critical. You want quality, you want affordability, and the parts need to be a universal fit. But sometimes finding parts that check all those boxes can be a challenge. The solution? Totaline Universal Aftermarket Parts and Supplies. By universal, we mean they're compatible with almost any brand of equipment. And we also mean that Totaline is your source for practically any retrofit part you might need. Motors and accessories, electrical components and accessories, indoor air quality products, semi-hermetic remanufactured compressors, heating and combustion components, tools and diagnostic equipment, even oils, chemicals, cleaners, and other supplies. If you need it, Totaline has it. Plus, we promise the highest quality at very attractive pricing. And with our cross-reference tools, we've also made it easy to find the exact replacement part you need. But if you have any questions or need any help at all, our customer service team is always here for you. So whether you're stocking a truck or stocking your shelves, trust the brand that checks all the boxes. Quality, affordability, and a huge inventory of the right parts for almost any HVAC equipment. Any brand, any job. Trust Totaline.